The Millionaire Partner System can give you a powerful edge in today's digital economy, but long-term success depends on how you approach it. Here's how to make it work for you. First, join the community and stay active. This is your built-in support network. By connecting with other users, you'll get fresh ideas, encouragement, and even partnership opportunities. Second, follow the training modules step by step. Don't rush. Each lesson builds on the last, giving you a clear path to follow. Third, take advantage of mentorship. Experienced guidance can help you see around corners, avoid common mistakes, and move faster toward your goals. Finally, stay consistent and focused. Success online is about steady action over time. Apply what you learn regularly and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. When you combine all of this, community, training, mentorship, and consistency, the Millionaire Partner System becomes much more than a course. It becomes a launchpad for real financial freedom. If you're ready to tap into everything this system offers, click my link below and sign up today.